Wait, ring the doorbell. That would be funny. Should I ring the doorbell? For no apparent reason.
I just did.
Wait, why is it buffering?
You're both idiots.
What? Wait, what?
That's Mommy saying you're both idiots.
Stop playing with the doorbell.
Hi, Mommy!
Stop playing with the doorbell. It's not a toy.
Ring, ring, dong! Mommy, can I ring the doorbell?
No.
Ring your neck.
Hey, Mommy,
What?
can I ring the doorbell?
Go away.
Look, Uncle Michael, go and ring out here.
I still see you.
Hello?
You're an idiot.
Oh, look, I'm laughing at myself. Come on, ring, and then hear the doorbell. It's hilarious. It's basically, hello, hello, I see you. Mommy, do you see me? I'm busy. I'm busy.
Adam, what do you push for live view?
Go to that. Go to front door share. Live view. Live view.
Oh, look at
Wow. This is the funny.
Hello.
Hey, come on, don't be funny. Let's go to the doorbell, do a random thing that has to sound.
Let's wait for Johanna to get here.
I mean, ring, ring, hello. I see you. What? Uncle Michael, do you see me?
Yes. Adam, what do you see on your phone now?
Well, I would try to import an image.
Just think.
Hello, Mommy.
Watch YouTube videos from your phone.
Mom, look. Uncle Michael, go on your phone. You see it? Wait. Mom, do you see it? Mommy? Mommy? Mom?
Adam, we'll have to wait for Johanna to get here so she can be on the video.
Hello, people. I am talking to myself on the... You're idiots out here.
Well, the weather's super good for Saturday. I've been checking the weather report for August 4th.
Really interesting, Uncle Michael.
You know, it's looking at the moon's not slightly orange.
Why?
Trump!
Wait, it is slightly orange.
It's like a golden.
Oh my God, it's so brand new. Is that not normal or not?
It's very low in the sky. Sometimes in October, you have like a reddish moon with blood moon and it's over a harvest.
Like, it's like a golden moon.
Ooh, golden french fries.
Oh my God. You should make these jokes or whatever. The moon is popping out French fries.
Yeah. Some people used to believe the moon was made out of cheese.
The moon is made out of cheese. Seriously?
Yeah, they thought that, yeah. Well, I guess it'd be Swiss cheese because it has holes in it.
Swiss cheese. That's the one.
Oh, a lot of fireflies out.
Yeah, I know. I think Mommy's excited about the cotton candy ice cream I got her.
Okay, so stop asking me about the camera to show me.
Hello. Oh, and the Hannah with you.
Yes, and the Hannah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, and the Hannah show. Yay, yay. Yay, yay. And the Hannah show, please.
Ring, ring the door. Oh, look, I have a telephone.
Ring, ring, and the Hannah show.
Ring, ring, hello. Ring, ring, hello. Oh, look, I am drunk.
You're welcome.
Hello, I am drunk.
I'm not that yet for that.
Hello, I am drunk. Little and Blake. It's me. It's me.
Oh, now we got sound. Hello, Adam.
Hello. Hello.
You just playing with a new toy.
Hello.
Playing with a new toy.
Hello.
Keep the 333 stuff. Hello, Adam.
Hello.
Hello.